everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw a smart girl and tell her story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Alice who was very fond of reading books. Her parents bought her many books. Alice read on the book carefully and put them on the shelf in her room. One day she saw that her books no longer fit on the shelf. Sarah was Alice's school teacher. Miss Sarah pointed to the bookshelf and said, "When you read a book, what do you do with it?" Alice said, "I put in the shelf so that it doesn't get damaged or dirty." Mrs. Sarah said, "Do you not give these books to your friends to read?" Alice said, No one has asked me for books yet." Mrs. Sarah said, "I at school. I will create a library and ask your friends to donate the books. They no longer need to this library. Then we give these books to those who didn't read them. Everyone can learn new things with new books." Alice said happily, "This is a good idea. I help you." Miss Sarah and Alice went to a school. They informed all the children that they need books for the library. I was online before the children brought extra books and donated them to the library. The shelf was full of books. Alice left some of her old books in the school library. From that day on, children came to a school and took books from the library and read to learn new things. Alice also became the librarian of the library. She lent books to school children and guided them to get the books they needed and read them. Alice was the kind little school librarian, and everyone loved her. Today our story is over. How many books have you read so far? Don't forget like video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and active the bell so you don't miss the beautiful painting and stories. So today's painting is finished. Until the next painting and story, bye bye.